the clouds are bleeding, and I'm going to be explaining why. But first, my name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly, and I actually feel like I must say I don't use Cloudflare. I have a different CDN service that I pay for, and I have used Cloudflare. It is kind of easy to set up, and it's a really cool idea. They currently have over 100 different geographically separated, which is actually a lot more than back when I used it, servers that actually act as content distribution networks that are usually used to mitigate DDoS attacks and also speed up the user experience over the internet or various websites. In my case, it was a caching issue, and that website is designed to cache websites, so it wasn't working in my case. But let's get to the point. Cloudflare has a serious issue right now where an untold number of usernames, passwords, personal information, messages, and cookies have been leaked all over the internet, and it amounts to 0.003% of all the traffic over their entire content distribution and security network. And it has been leaking since September 22, 2016, all the way up until February 18th, 2017, only noticed by Romati of Google's Project Zero, at which point, because Cloudflare was notified, they quietly patched the bug that was responsible for all of this mayhem. And if you think the problem is over, it's not. Many services use Cloudflare, such as Uber, OkCupid, 1Password, Fitbit, and there's a whole lot more. That was only a fraction of all the websites, and those are the ones that Gizmodo.com actually posted. I pulled that list straight from them. That means any number of 1,000, more than that, thousands of websites that you may be using may require you to change your username, your password, start asking you to use multi-factor authentication, and in some cases, you'll be wondering about all that other extra information, what you can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it beyond changing username, password, and updating security questions and answers. That other information might be used as part of spear phishing attacks and who knows what other kinds of fraud and malicious intents they might try to use against you in that case. So what happened? Well, it was a single typo. The website, and they have posted on cloudflare.com what the typo was, had part of its code reflecting a double equal sign, which was actually wrong. They needed a greater than equal sign in the code in order to mitigate this kind of stuff, and that wasn't there. A single character leaks 0.003% of all the traffic over many, many months. And if it wasn't for Google's Project Zero, it could have extended way beyond this point. So here are basically everything that you need to know about what happened. A typo caused personal information to leak. Somebody noticed it. Somebody patched it like they were supposed to immediately when they got the notification, and everybody has been informed as well as I am. And if you are interested on knowing more about what happened, because I don't want to really bore you too much about this, go to the sources of this episode at tqaweekly.com/SE7EP26, or you can also go to cloudflare.com. They have it in their blog as well. Should you be worried? Yes, if you have information or use services that were on the Cloudflare website, especially if you used or posted any sensitive information between September 22nd, 2016 and February 18th, 2017. Is there anything you can do about it? Well, personal messages and all that kind of personal information, like I told you, you really can't. You just have to be careful with whatever is going to be coming out from this. And of course, I hope I don't have to tell you to have different passwords as well as using multi-factor authentication on every website possible. If you can use multi-factor authentication on every single website you visit, use it. Make sure your passwords are different on every single website. That is usually one hell of a proactive way of mitigating any problems, such as typos leaking your information. If you like this episode, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Don't forget to share with those that you can think will benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com. And of course, if you want to make this show better, go to patreon.com/tqaweekly. Patrons enjoy these episodes 24 hours in advance of everyone else. Have a great day and goodbye.